Hey everyone, I want to go ahead and show y'all how I do my hard-boiled eggs in my Instapot. I start with the trivet tray in the bottom with a little bit of water and about 7 eggs. I do about that amount each week. I don't like to do any more than that just in case we don't eat them. I don't want them to go bad. We use them in salads, for breakfast in the mornings, and just for a daily snack. Once I have the lid on, I make sure that the vent is set to ceiling and turn pressure cooker on for 5 minutes on high pressure. So it will cook pressurized for 5 minutes, then it will release for 5 minutes, and at that time we'll go ahead and pull the valve to venting and let the steam come out. I have an ice bath ready for the hot eggs to go into. They will sit in the ice water for 5 minutes. As you can tell, in some of these the eggs had cracked, and that's okay. Sometimes if there's hairline cracks already in them, the pressure will create the crack to get bigger and they'll just split. But it doesn't affect the egg, it doesn't affect the way that it cooks. And you'll see me here peeling the eggs. The shell comes off so easy doing it this way. I always had such a hard time before just doing the stovetop way. And as you can see, we're all done. It takes about 20 minutes total to get everything finished. Thank y'all so much for watching. Please remember to subscribe so you can see other videos that we post. Be blessed.